What's good on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you about the geography data type in Excel. So this makes it to where you can do research on different pieces of geographical data, such as countries, cities, states, zip codes, and more, quickly and easily. So to get this function to work, all you have to do is hide the cells that you are looking to do research on. Go to Data, Geography. Takes a second to load. But after you do that, as you can see, there is this little map right here, and there is this piece right here. So to add data and do your research, what you have to do is click this, is hide the cells you're looking to do the research on, click Insert Data, and type in and select the data that you're looking to get. So for example, let's just say you wanted the population. Or the leader of the city. Now, as you can see, so some of my return field, that's because this isn't completely perfect. It makes your research much more efficient, but it isn't absolutely perfect. Um, but with that being said, some specific data points might not be available. Here you can see the same for this let's just do the same for the zip code. I can see the data type that's changed, and you can give a description. If they wanted to be like, okay, we have a bunch of zip codes. What exactly are the cities? You can also select city. So let's see it out. So we had a bunch of zip codes. You wanted to know what city they're in. So here you can see the cities of the zip codes. Correspond to the zip codes. So that being said, I hope that this was helpful. And please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see.